Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds Philips with your MacBook. You have to start by click one time at the Bluetooth button at the top, but if you don't have this icon, just go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Then go to the settings. And after that we need to enter pairing mode. So, open the charging case and remove your earbuds from the charging case. If your earbuds do not connect it with other devices, they will enter to pairing mode automatically and you will see them at the device list. Also, we can enter to pairing mode manually. At the back side, right here at the top, we have two controls. You need to press and hold on them for at least 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this LED light start blinking, meaning that you enter to pairing mode automatically. Manually. After that, you need to click connect near to your earbuds. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!